This problem is combining absolute value with an inequality. So if we start out with x plus 4, absolute value is greater than 2, we have to look at what this means. This means that when you take x plus 4, the positive value of that has to be greater than 2. So one way of writing that, x plus 4 is greater than 2. Because if the x plus 4 stays positive, then that has to be greater than 2. But however, the value of x plus 4, it may be negative, and once we take the absolute value of it, it still may be equal to 2. So another equation we have x plus 4 has to be less than negative 2. And this is because a value less than negative 2, such as negative 3, when you take the absolute value of that, it would just be 3, which is then greater than 2. So, solving these, subtract 4, and x is greater than negative 2. That would make it work. So, a number greater than negative 2, say negative 1, plug it into the problem. Negative 1 plus 4, that equals 3, and 3 is greater than 2, so that works. Over here, we subtract 4 also, and get x is smaller than negative 6. So pick a value, negative 7 is smaller than negative 6, so negative 7 plus 4 equals negative 3. And the absolute value of negative 3 is 3 because it's 3 away from 0. And 3 is greater than 2. So that also works. So that means for this problem, the two solutions would be x is greater than negative 2 and x is less than negative 6.